Hey folks, it's Johnny Keeley here. We're at Hudnalls Hideout. We're doing a whole bunch of photography for them, but we also thought for the YouTube channel that we would do a little tour, show you around the place, show you how amazing it is here. We're spending the night here, capturing photos at this absolutely stunning treehouse known as Hudnalls Hideout. It stands quietly in a 2-acre private wood surrounded by meadows and ancient woodlands. When you arrive, you wheel your bags through a quiet meadow before you arrive at the treehouse. As you go in through the door, you can immediately see the upper and lower levels of the space, an open plan living room and kitchen area, and then up the spiral staircase to the bedroom, which is set into a cedar tree trunk with a cozy loft bed facing that classic A-frame floor-to-ceiling window looking out into the treetops surrounding you. The living space is beautifully designed and had us attempting to pronounce that Danish word to describe coziness and contentment. Hygge, hygge, hygge. Anyway, as you head through the living room area's bifold doors, you get to the huge outside decking area that looks out into the woodland. And hidden around the side of the building is a shiny copper roll-top bath which is surrounded by tiny little lights that glow in the night. From this decking area, you can look down onto the kind of outdoor eating area, the fire pit, and the pizza oven, and there is nothing quite like that taste of wood-fired pizzas. As the light faded, we sat around the fire drinking hot chocolate and Prosecco, one after the other, obviously. At night, the treehouse glows and lights up the treetops, and by this point, you've forgotten where you are. Your world is just the treehouse and the woods. We woke early the next morning, and the woodland was filled with fog. The views from the A-frame window make you feel a million miles from anywhere. We didn't catch the sunrise, but honestly, I think I prefer these foggy morning vibes. It was a short stay, but we captured a lot of content, and I was feeling really happy that we caught a lot of cool weather conditions and got some really unique shots. So with around 15 gigabytes of photos rushing through my mind, we loaded up the wheelbarrows and head back to the car. This is not a sponsored video, they hired us to shoot the space. However, I would highly recommend Hudnalls Hideout for a special getaway. It's a beautiful space, and this is the first time that we've got to make a little tour video for the YouTube channel from one of the cabins that we stay in. So thanks very much for watching the video, everyone. If you enjoyed that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and definitely go and check out Hudnalls Hideout. This is an amazing place. I'll leave a link in the description. And if you want to check out some of the photos we took here, go and check out our Instagram profiles. That is It's Johnny Keeley, and I'm also here with @Food&Ting. So I'll leave some links in the description. I don't just do videos like this. If you want to check out some of my other videos, they're on the screen right now. And if you hit the little round one in the middle, you can subscribe. And if you do that, I will see you in the next video.